Description: lightweight conditioner for baby fine to fine hair textures. Benefits: provides lightweight hydration and promotes tensile strength. Detangles, replenishes and helps prevent breakage. Suggested use: after shampooing, apply starting at the ends and working up to the scalp. Leave in for 30 seconds. Rinse thoroughly. Macadamia oil contains omega-3, 6, 7 and 9. Adds shine while fighting off brittle strands. Argan oil contains omega-3, 6 and 9. Restores softness and strength. Avocado walnut oils, ultra-lightweight nourishing oils that strengthen and hydrate. Quinoa, vegetable collagen vitamins A, CE, strengthen and provide intense nourishment. Top reviews from the United States. Smells awesome, touchable as silk. Been using this line of products for a bit over half a year now and am enjoying it immensely. It makes my straight, fine hair feel soft and sleek, and even months later I'm still sniffing my hair every time I let it down. Fabulous deep nutty scent is very different from the sharp fruity and flowery scents common in other products. I'm comfortable washing my hair twice a week, and this doesn't weigh my hair down or feel greasy at all, but also doesn't leave any texture to hold curls or styling. Likely better for sleeker styles.